Alright guys, I got some sad news. One of our dogs ate my brother's chicken nugget. He threw an entire funeral for it. Hold up. You guys need to see this. He drew a beautiful drawing for it. Alright, RIP chicken nugget. And he drew a drawing of it. I can't honestly, I can't tell if he's sad or happy or if he's trying to make this a joke or not. But even for a chicken nugget, this was kind of sad. Hold up, you want to give a speech?
It was so juicy and good.
You didn't even eat him. How would you know? Alright, whatever. Subscribe down below so I can hit 300 subscribers.